The Continental, a cocktail inspired by John Wick, the boogeyman himself. Named for the hotel that serves only assassins, where gold coins are currency, and every drink is measured in consequences. Bourbon, dark fruit, bitter complexity, and a coin's worth of gold on top. Cold, quiet, lethal. 5 elements make this assassin's cup: bourbon, blackberry syrup, Amaro Montenegro, aromatic bitters, and a pinch of edible gold leaf, the Continental coin. Start with 2 ounces of bourbon, Woodford Reserve or Bullet, something warm and assertive. John drinks bourbon neat at the Continental bar. This is the spirit that knows how to behave in a hotel full of killers. Half an ounce of blackberry syrup, deep purple-black, sweet but not sugary. It's what gives the drink its shadow. Chambord works as a richer alternative. To make the syrup yourself, a cup of blackberries, a cup of sugar, a cup of water, simmer 10 minutes, strain. A 1/4 ounce of Amaro Montenegro plus 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. The Amaro adds that old-world bitter complexity that keeps this drink from ever feeling sweet. Rules of the Continental are observed, even in a glass. Stir everything with ice in a mixing glass for 30 seconds. Strain over a single large clear ice cube in a heavy rocks glass. Express an orange peel over the top and drop it in. Sprinkle a pinch of edible gold leaf on the surface. The Continental coin, catching the light. And if you really want to commit to the theme, rest a sharpened pencil across the rim. You know why. The Continental is dark, bittersweet, smooth, and quietly dangerous. A drink built for a man who talks softly and carries 7 guns. Order it at the bar. Pay with a coin. Leave no blood on the tables. Si vis pacem, para bellum. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.